Alright, and welcome to today's video. It is the first in the series of setting up my company. Now, the first episode isn't actually going to be anything to do with the company. It's going to be related in the fact that it is dealing with setbacks and the ruts that come with them. For those of you who do not know me, I am Craig Smith. I am a filmmaker, artist and entrepreneur, if you want to call it that. Now, I have a media company, Stag Studio, and I also am in the throes of setting up a second company, which this series will focus on. On to the topic of today's video, dealing with setbacks and the ruts that come with it. Now, first and foremost, the easiest way to avoid setbacks is through adequate planning. And these methods that I'm about to tell you can help immensely with dealing with the setbacks and the ruts associated with them. So method number one is to write down the setback and the steps that you took up to the setback that caused you to be in the rut that you're in. This allows you to put it all down on paper and then put it to the side and focus on other things that you still have to do to progress to the next stage. Whilst you're doing those other things, you will manage to work out various aspects of where you went wrong, if you went wrong at all, or whether it was avoidable. Method number two is a bit of an obvious one. It's exercise. Now, exercise allows your body to produce serotonin and boosts your mood, reduces your stress, and by extension does the same as method number one in giving your brain something else to focus on whilst you work out in the background in your subconscious how to go about correcting those issues that caused the setback and whether they were avoidable yet again. I myself use these methods and have had immense success in avoiding setbacks, and when not able to avoid them, being able to deal with them quickly and effectively. So I implore you try these and let me know how you get on. And that's the end of this episode. In the next one we will be going to Business Gateway, an organisation set up to help start-up companies, and then we will be going on to all of the good stuff such as sourcing suppliers, networking and the likes. So until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill.